Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Baby Catnap. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a small line across for the top of the nose. And then angle it down on both sides. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw two curves down and out. And then a V-shaped point underneath on the right for the tooth. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. On top of the nose, let's draw a curve up, over, and down on both sides. And then curve it back into the nose underneath. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw a large oval towards the center. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a small curve on top of each eye. Then a line up from the center. And then another curve on top. And then color both of the eyebrows in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve out and angle it down. And the same on the right. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then curve it down, meeting at the bottom for the chin. Next, let's hop to the top and add the ears. Let's draw a curve out and up on both sides. And then a curve back down and in. Now let's do the same thing inside each of the ears. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two curves down underneath. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the moon. Let's start with a C-shaped curve underneath the head. And then another smaller one inside to close it off. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the diaper. From both sides, let's add a curve going down. Then underneath, let's curve it inwards, leaving a gap in the middle. And then close off the gap with a curve across. Now underneath both sides, let's add the legs. Let's start with two diagonal lines down and out on both sides. And then close off each of the legs with a curve. Now top and side, and let's add another curve down near the ends. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move back up and draw the arms. Let's start under the head and let's draw a diagonal line down on both sides. And then curve it back in underneath. Now top and side each of the arms, and let's add another curve near the bottom. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move over on the right side and add the tail. Let's start next to the right arm and let's draw a wavy line up and back down. And now let's do the same curve underneath. And then close off the end of the tail with another curve. And that's it for Baby Catnap. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!